Supreme Council of the Alliance for Karabakh discussed the Karabakh problem. Karabakh Liberation Organization Chairman Akif Nağı said that the alliance is comprised of organizations that support the option of war for liberating the occupied Azerbaijani territories. The Supreme Council discussed Turkey's position at the beginning of the Karabakh War and Armenia's attempts to put the Khanganti airport into operation. According to alliance members, commissioning an airport in the occupied territories of Azerbaijan is illegal, so they called for the Azerbaijani government to shoot down any aircraft taken off from this airport. The roundtable participants called on Turkey to give as much support to Azerbaijan as Russia gives to Armenia if there is any war. At the end of the event, participants demanded the Azerbaijani government to stop the airport from operating. Otherwise, the alliance will hold protests.